Hi there, it's been a while since I posted a new video. The reason for this long silence is that I've been busy with a revolutionary new therapeutic device using terahertz frequency to improve people's health. I'm currently looking for a distributor worldwide. I will leave a link below if you want to find out more, or just drop me a comment. Back to today's video. If you're a car enthusiast or a fan of Xiaomi, you have heard this announcement already. For the rest, Xiaomi just launched two EV cars called SU7. Yep, the phone maker Xiaomi from China. I'm not going to talk about horsepower or Newton meters of torque. You can easily find it in the internet. They can explain it way better than I do. I'm actually interested in this. Xiaomi car uses HyperOS as its operating system. This is the same OS that powers Xiaomi's new phone. Does this mean we can use Xiaomi's phone as a car key in the future, where all our personal preferences are stored in the phone? Since they share the same OS, it wouldn't be too far-fetched to think that when you enter the car, things like seat, steering wheels and mirrors will be adjusted to your personal preference. And another thing, look at this. This here suggests that the car will be part of the smart home ecosystem too. Xiaomi already have a range of smart home devices. I could imagine, for example, when you're driving off to work, your smart door lock will lock your house front door. Your smart door or window sensors will alert you if you accidentally leave one of them open, and even turn on your home security system. While none of the above functionality was explicitly mentioned, I am extremely excited to see how Xiaomi will integrate all their products together. What do you think? Will you buy a Xiaomi SU7 if or when it comes to your shores? Leave me a comment below. For the time being, bye now. We'll see you in the next video.